Yeah, he's got a broken pen, hasn't he? He might get him to follow us. There he is, look. Come on, follow us. There he is. There he is. One of the back of the boat. It's not. They know what they're doing. They just love playing them. It's still there. Oh, that's turning right now. Still there. Still there. He's still there, look. Yeah. I wanted to come up a bit higher. It's video now. He's right underneath it still. There he is. Right on back again. There he is.
Yeah.
Look at that song. There he is. That's what I said, don't show it right now. Yeah, I just hope it comes out enough. So I can't actually see it when I'm looking. He looks the speed.
Oh, they got him.
They got him, haven't they? You two, you're going to have to go in there because I can't stand, you know. James. There it is, right behind us. Oh, it's got back in there. It's got back in there. Keep an eye out, because he keeps on popping up alongside us. There he is, he's out that way. He finds us, that's the thing. Yeah. I tell you, all my senses are going mental. I've got to keep an eye where we're going. There he is. He's gone again. He's gone again. Come on in, come and get us. Come on. There he is. Finds us up. I want to get him close to the wall there. There he is! Whoa! Oh, he shot all of us. Jumping. He's jumping in front of us. There he is. That was, see the jump he's done in front of us. He's just gone underneath us. Here he is. There, look. He's actually right, just laying underneath us.
It's just underneath us!
You need to get inside that bench so I've got somewhere to stand. Here he is, he's on us again. Oh, he's peeled away again. There he is.
Toby didn't win.
There, look. I think we've knackered him out, haven't we?
Toby did a wig right under my foot.
Right, James, what have we seen?
We've seen a dolphin!
Yeah.
And we've seen him flipper.
He had a wee.
Yeah, right underneath me. Toby back.
Oh, he might chase the ferry now, look. No.
Did you?
There's a dolphin here! Where's Flipper?
Yeah, he's been chasing us up and down. He's probably on you now.
Wicked! Flipper!
Here he is, he's right underneath.
Right there!
Look, he's underneath the boat.
He's underneath the boat!
Don't all go to one side.
Oh, God, what's happening?
Look, he's actually upside down underneath the boat here, Trish.
There he is! He's upside down!
Here, his head's there, look.
Hello? Oh, you touched it!
Here, look. Can't see him now. There,
Oh, Flippy. I just want to put my
he was upside down.
He was
Right under the
upside
boat.
down